How to use SD card as internal storage in Android. So if you want to use the SD card on internal storage in Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings and make sure that you've turned on your developer mode. So you just need to simply scroll down and you can go with system, and here on the bottom you can see the developer options, right? But if you don't have the developer options, you can go with about phone, and under about phone you can go with the software information and you can tap on the build number for 7 times. So once you tap on it, you will be a developer. So you will have the developer options. You can simply go back and then go with the system option and go with developer options. Under that, now you just need to simply scroll down and search for an option of force allow apps on external. So here you will have the option. If you don't find the option, then you can simply go with the search, which will be on the upper right. And once you go with search, you can simply search for force allow, and here you will get the force allow apps on external. Simply tap on that option and it will take you to that option. So simply toggle that on. Once you toggle it on, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can use your SD as internal storage in Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.